Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is PREET. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial video where you would be learning something. So in maximum of my videos when I upload, people usually ask me this question again and again, that can you please share a basic routine or a basic step to contour the nose. So first of all guys, मैं ये पहले clear कर देना चाहती हूँ कि nose contour करना बहुत important नहीं है. You just contour your face just to enhance your features, so that's why we use this contour process. So I'm gonna be sharing a very simple beginner friendly जो बहुत ही easy है, which can be done in like 5 minutes and इसको कोई भी कर सकता है. So I'm gonna be sharing that trick with you guys, that how to contour your nose easily and what all things do you need. And I am being very honest, if you try this tip out, it's gonna take like not more than 5 minutes to contour your nose, and it's gonna be very quick. So make sure you try it out, and I hope you guys will have never heard this trick from anyone else, so I'm sharing directly with you guys. So yeah, let's begin and let's see how I contour my nose, and I'm going to be sharing the steps with you guys. Also, those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon. The very first product you guys need is a bronzer for this. So you can use any bronzer. You can use an eyeshadow, which is like a neutral eyeshadow, which is like 3 shades deeper from your skin tone, and just use a fluffy brush, directly apply that bronzer on your nose, on your nose bridge, like entire nose. You just have to cover it with that bronzer, but make sure you are not using too much of product. Dust out the extra product when you're taking it on the brush, and then apply directly on your nose. And then once that is done, we would be using a loose powder. Now you need to have a loose powder. Now this process is called as baking. So we would be baking to give a accurate shape, I should say. जिस तरीके की shape आपको अपनी nose की चाहिए, इस वजह से हम एक loose powder use करेंगे. मुझे जिस तरीके की shape चाहिए, मैंने उस हिसाब से loose powder को अपनी nose के आसपास लगा दिया है. And then I'm going to be leaving that for like 5 minutes or maybe less than that. It totally depends upon you. And then once that is done, remove the excess powder from your nose area using a fluffy brush or a powder brush, I should say. Make sure कि आप powder को अच्छे से remove कर रहे हो. Just keep using that brush, because powder अगर रह जाएगा तो it will look really weird. So make sure you are removing the powder. Now once that is done, the very last step which you have to do is use any of your favorite highlighter. So I'm going to be using my favorite highlighter, which is a Wet n Wild highlighter. आप कोई भी highlighter ले सकते हो और उसको अपनी nose की tip पर, पहला point. दूसरा, आपको उसको अपने नोज़ के ब्रिज पर. सो नोज़ का ब्रिज मतलब आपकी दोनों आँखों के बीच का जो एरिया होता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज नोज़ ब्रिज. सो अप्लाई द हाईलाइटर ऑन योर नोज़ ब्रिज. सो मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग दैट. सो नोज़ टिप एंड द नोज़ ब्रिज. Now once that is done, make sure you're not using too much of quantity. I'm again telling you guys, बहुत ज़्यादा quantity की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप कुछ भी apply करो, quantity जितना कम लोगे उतना ही better होगा. So once that is done, you can use a setting spray, and that's it you guys. कि आपको shape चाहिए, आप उस तरीके की shape आपको मिल सकती है, आप अपनी nose को contour कर सकते हो. So this is such a simple trick which I think any one of you can try it out at your home, and it's a beginner friendly. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys need such more tips, make sure you comment down below and let me know, so that I can film more videos where I would be sharing my tips and tricks with you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be catching you guys super soon with a brand new video, but till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.